Have you ever wondered how to create a website using AI? Today you're in the right place to learn that. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized the website creation realm, making it more accessible and efficient. It's a game changer for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. AI significantly simplifies the process, eliminating the need for complex coding. It's like having a personal assistant to help you create your dream website. So let's delve into this fascinating world of AI website creation. Stay tuned as we guide you through the process of creating a website using AI. First and foremost, it's important to choose the right AI website builder. The market is brimming with a variety of AI website builders, each with its unique set of features. You have options like Wix ADI, FireDrop, and Bookmark, to name a few. Wix ADI is known for its intuitive design and ease of use. FireDrop boasts of its smart design algorithms, while Bookmark prides itself on its e-learning courses supporting the website building process. However, the best one for you hinges on your specific needs and goals. Are you looking for a quick, simple solution or something more customizable? Do you value customer support, or is a wide range of templates more important to you? These are all considerations that should guide your decision. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution here. It's about finding the perfect fit for you and your business. Once you've chosen your AI website builder, you're ready to jump into the actual creation process. With your chosen AI website builder, it's time to set it up. This process is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, sign up for an account. Most platforms will guide you through this step by step, ensuring you don't miss any crucial details. After you've signed up, you'll want to select a template. This is the basic design of your website. Don't fret too much over this. Most AI builders allow you to change templates later on. Next, set up the basic layout of your site. This involves structuring the pages and deciding what content goes where. Again, don't worry if you aren't sure about this right away, as most AI builders are flexible and allow changes later on. Remember, the goal of this initial setup is to lay the groundwork for your website. It's like building the frame of a house before you start painting and decorating. Now that the setup is complete, it's time to customize your website. Customizing your website to reflect your brand is the next crucial step. The beauty of AI website builders lies in their ability to allow you to make your website truly your own. Start by adding pages. You could have a home page, a page about your company, a blog section, or a contact page. The variety is endless and the choice is yours. Once you've decided on the pages, it's time to create a menu. This is the navigator of your website, guiding your visitors through your content. Make it intuitive and straightforward, ensuring each menu item links to the correct page. Now let's talk about content. This is where you tell your story, share your message, and engage your audience. Be it text, images, or videos, AI website builders make it easy to add and arrange your content. Remember, quality is king, so make sure your content is valuable and relevant to your audience. Images are essential too. They enhance your content, make it more engaging, and help in expressing your brand personality. But remember, use high-quality images that are relevant to your content. Now let's move on to optimization. It's essential to optimize your website for SEO and mobile devices. SEO helps your website get found by search engines, while mobile optimization ensures your website looks great on all devices. With customization and optimization complete, your website is nearly ready to go live. Before your website goes live, it's important to review and make any necessary adjustments. Think of this stage as the final dress rehearsal before the grand opening. It's crucial to ensure that all the features work seamlessly and the content is spotless. Now let's talk adjustments. If you notice a typo, a misaligned image, or a broken link, don't panic. These minor glitches are easily fixable. Your AI website builder is equipped with tools to help you make these corrections swiftly. After you've ironed out all the kinks, it's time to hit the publish button. This is the moment where your website takes flight. With just a click, your AI website builder will put your site on the World Wide Web, making it accessible to anyone, anywhere. Congratulations, you've just created a website using AI. Remember, the beauty of AI is that it continues to learn and evolve, so your website will only get better over time.